Hello student, this is the question GATE 2008, 2 marks. What is the question? A relational schema R is given and with the set of FDs, AB tends to CD, D tends to P and C tends to E, P tends to C and B tends to G. And is asking about the relational schema R is in. Means first we have to find the candidate key, then we will tell the normal form ki in which normal form the relation R is in. So find the candidate key. What is the candidate key? You can find. First we take the closure of AB. Now AB tends to CD, C tends to E and B tends to G and E tends to P. Means you are getting all the attribute of AB. So you can't directly say AB is a candidate key. First you say AB is a super key. Why? Because candidate key is a attribute or set of minimum set of attribute which are required to determine all the attribute of relational schema R. Means जब तक अपन कैंडिडेट सुपर की को तोड़ेंगे नहीं, जब तक उसको अपन कैंडिडेट की नहीं बोल सकते. तो विल टेक द सबसेट also A and B. What is the closure of A? You are getting only A. And what is the closure of B? BG. So if not of the none of the proper subset of super key is also super key, then that key is a super key and candidate key. Getting my point? So here AB is my candidate key. So AB is my candidate key. And non prime या non key attribute is C, D, E, P and G. First we have to check 2NF because we find the candidate key, so relation R is in 1NF. Now we check the 2NF. What is the case of 2NF? Ki 2NF, a relational schema R is in 2NF. First one is R is in 1NF and R does not contain any partial dependency. What do you mean by partial dependency? Proper subset of candidate key to नॉन की एट्रीब्यूट नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर ऐसा है तो आपका स्कीमा 2NF में नहीं होगा. सो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द प्रॉपर सबसेट आइदर A और B. मीन्स यू हैव टू चेक आइदर A और B यू कैन डिटरमाइन द नॉन की एट्रीब्यूट और नॉट. सो हियर यू कैन सी this one make a partial dependency because this is proper subset of candidate key and this is non key attribute. Yes, it is also not in 3NF and first it is not in 2NF, then it is not possible to make a 3NF and the 3NF void condition non key to non key, non key to non key. But if we stop at 2NF, then there is a no sense for go for 3NF checking. So this relation not in 2NF. Getting my point? Because this make a partial dependency. Not in 2NF because candidate key is AB in FD and proper subset of candidate key determine the non-prime attribute, that is B tends to G. So this is not in 2NF. Getting my point? Okay. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.